Hi guys, my name is Amber and today I'm going to show you how to install a WordPress theme on your website. So if we click over here and go to our website, we can see that it's just the default theme right now, so it doesn't look very pretty, and we also haven't added any content. So we're going to go back to our dashboard so we can change our WordPress theme. The great thing about WordPress is that it's really easy to change the way our site looks with pre-made WordPress themes. To upload our WordPress theme, we're going to go to Appearance and click on Themes. Then you can see here that this theme is what is currently active on our website. So that's what we're going to want to change. So we're just going to go to the top and click Add New. So the first themes that show up are the featured themes. And you can see here all of the different options. You can scroll down. There are literally thousands to choose from. Or you can scroll back up and click on Popular, and this will show you all the themes that are currently popular, so you can look through them and see if there's anything that you like. You can also go to the search bar and search for a specific theme that you're looking for. There are free themes and there are premium themes, which means that you have to pay for them. Today we're going to install a free theme right here from WordPress, but there are also options outside of WordPress for buying premium themes from places like ThemeForest or Envato, which I'll cover in another video. So the free theme that we're going to be installing today is called Astra. So we'll just type Astra into the search box, and then our theme pops up right here. So then we're going to click Details and Preview. So this here is a theme preview. So this would show us what the Astra theme would look like on our website. And to the left, there's more information and reviews. So we're just going to go ahead and click Install. And then it should only take a couple seconds to install. And then we can just X out of that. And now the theme's installed, so we just need to activate it. So just click Activate. Okay, so now our theme is installed and it's been activated. So now we can go to our website and see what it looks like. So we'll just click on Visit Site. Okay, so here's what the Astra theme currently looks like on our website. And in the next videos, we're just going to be going back in, adding content and changing the theme settings to make it look prettier.